Ya kamet jung MLE ka Mawryngkneng ba David Nongrem ubal khlat kenden HAKA Sngi ba ar latep dan burom no HAKA ni Sngi pale ha udum ching tap jong kapalang Catholic umpling hashwa kani gladon ka jingle burom ba khaddu naki borsh nong umpling nang ta nakapalang nau nongelam kalyang persau Dr. Mukul Sangma kong amprin lingdo MLE nak Mawryngkneng Block Congress ngalor kiwi layoru ka kurwo snulam na menteri rang ba ka jelang Arunachal Pradesh.
I heard him well. He expressed his desire to serve the people. And since then, I tried to know him more. More because I wanted to know whether the young man has real desire to serve. Whether he belongs to that breed, that people who love to elect him. And I must tell all of you that yes, as I waited and as I tried to learn more about him, I knew him more and more. And I must tell you that he was a different breed of politicians who knew how to empathize with people, not just sympathize. The day prior to he left us, when he was with people affected by grief, with the grieving people, till the last day of his life, stands as a testimony to his true color and true spirit, where he was guided by the spirit of empathy and compassion. A leader very rare. Well, I knew him more because subsequently we served together. He brought in a number of initiatives. Every initiative that he would share with me while we were in government would reflect his utmost commitment to serve the people. And we all know what he has done to our beloved people of 13 Mawryngkneng Constituency. We long cherish his services, innumerable contributions.
Invite on behalf of the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh to give us a speech and a condolence message. Nanta in Sapun Both the Mawryngkneng Block Congress Committee.
You, Neto Sisu, my respectful. I stand here on behalf of David's extended family of Arunachal Pradesh. Before I say something, I'd like to read the condolence message that our CM, Sri Pema Khanduji, has written. And he happens to be a very good friend of Brother David. With profound grief, I write to share the grief of losing one of the charismatic, cheerful, young and dedicated leader of Meghalaya, who accomplished numerous good works and left a political legacy to cherish. The news of the sudden and untimely demise of David Nongrem, sitting MLA from Meghalaya due to cardiac arrest, came as a shocker to me. I am deeply anguished by this great loss. In his demise, the people have lost a fine gentleman, and I have lost a very dear friend who was always cheerful and kind-hearted. I believe leaving this mortal world would not diminish the love and affection showered on him by the people, and his soul will remain immortal. So would his footsteps and the contributions made to his state during his long and memorable years of political career. I know this would be the most trying times for the family members to cope with the irreparable loss. I hope my humble words of consolation would ease the grief even if a little. In this moment of grief, me, my family, colleagues in the government and people of Arunachal Pradesh extend our solidarity with you and share the pain inflicted on you and the people of Meghalaya by one of the greatest truths of life. I pray Almighty God to bestow you with strength to bear the irreparable loss. May his soul rest in peace in heavenly abode. With deepest condolences, Pema Khandu.
Can you go in the Mayor Estate? Along the Jaka, Kabanga Juyeng Barobor, Nadu Kabasdang, Jong election Jong Ba David Nongrom. kalong kum ka ying kalong kum ka keper la jong ban wan han ni ban menta ka man sim ka dap de ka jing snosi ka bakraw ban mar hagi por ki balet baro ngala ju yang hasanda jong uba deben naga banta ban yakit ya balem ya galingkor ka bang mau utrang ang not banlong unong mikman Henry hagani ka sngi hagani ka jo ka jaka na snosi ban yen hangni ban ai kublay khadu yaw Briew ubang id bat bang buram hadu kata-kata prasnam ki balalit no kilong ki por ki bokodor hadu kata-kata na kabantang ka constituency ki jongi nilayo ayo unong yalam ubadang samla ka team ka jongi ba ka team jong ba debet ka team of young generations ka team of young guns kabagi jimot ki jing perkham jong UMLA jongi bat ka jimot ka jing perkhat jong ki nong kersan kalong ka baya bang bor bha hadu kata-kata yimjudan ka poiru kapor lani ka jing ban kren ya ka eru ka badan hapo ka mansim ka jongi ban pen snow ya kanu ka badan hapo jongi hawa MLA jongi aba debit nang rom nadu kapor basdang barmar kata namar bagadi ka team ka balong a perfect team namar kata ka jing tray ka jongi nadu kapor election ru kalong kumjo kapor nakabanta ban tray ya ki kampen roy hapo ka constituency ru kilong kumjo ki jimot ki jing perkhat ki bangi wanra ha ba debet ru ki long ki be daydor bha bat kani ka team ka jongi ka badi ka team of young people
Hai Kong Kikatula and Jamil Windermere Estates Umpling Shillong Kaseng kimi kurnong rom kadap ta kajing sosi kabayo kajing tip ya kajing khat kendit jingi ba David Nongrom MLA na kani kasla persai HAKA atrik uremphang arajar apoi kajing khat no jingi ba David kadai kajing du ka bakraw om tang ye ka ye ka sem jingi ye ka jala bro ko wei ye ka constituency ba yimi khman Henry kadai ru kajing du ka bakraw na ka benta ka kori bro ko wei iba David ilong kum wei upaya berat ba jong kur nongrom bat ilong iba kloy bandan hasenda jong kur hakanu no ko khep ba kur ka snow don kami i ilong Briew iba snowret bat iba burom yela ka kur hakapor bahaswa habadan kedor barba jong kur nongrom maria yo jingtip ila phone hi daladi yo secretary kur ban pen pau bi ilong iba kloy ban ai ban ye don lang bat ban ye ba lang ya kalung kor bakhia jong kur ka kur nongrom sangkimi rengkat bar ka kur hi barak koi ni bu ka jing duai hau play try kan ra un ai ka jing ja thai yai ba David Nongrom ha ka hima jong ni bu ru ka jing duai hau play un ai ka jing ka jing kya bat ka jing suk man sim yai lok bat iki khon arno ku play shibun ba David bat lit suk bandan no hakoi pat ka hima jong play sai ye Nongrom General Secretary ka kur Nongrom sankini.
It's an honor for me to speak on behalf of Atula's relatives on this occasion and the ceremony honoring the life of our beloved Mr. David Nongrom. Human words are inadequate to express how shocked and grieved we are at the untimely demise of Sri David Nongrom, MLA. We have heard a saying that the best people are always taken away early. And those words would not be more true for Sir David. the relatives and friends from Nagaland will miss dear David, who was such a reliable source of inspiration for all of us. His death is a big blow to our relatives, and his absence will be deeply felt. Abdullah and David got married in the month of May in 2003. Since then, David and his family have shown utmost grace by accepting Atu as one of their own daughters. After a blissful marriage of nearly 18 years, the cruel fact of life have cut short the life of Sir David. Even though he is not here no more today, I hope that the two families will continue to be a source of comfort and support to each other, and especially to Atu and her children, Tamjan and Leah. I hope that we continue to share the love we always have.
Few words on behalf of my mother, my sister, and my brother Tushi. I speak in Khasi as my dad would. Kwa bantum kau ya kajing semumu ya barok ibayim basem. Kiparalok kipajba jongka konstituensi kipalayawan ban ai kublay kado ya ipa kipat ban ya smolem batni kum lagi kum kayem akum kani kapor basmusi kapwa ban ai kublay ru ya kabalang Catholic kabalawan ban pun kre bat pendep ya baro kale niam le rukom na kabenta ipa ban ngakwa ru ban kublay ya ka dorbar senang umpling layarap ban penya je kani ke program kumunong yelam tagba ipa itre minot ban wanra ya ka jing yatli bat ka jing sop ningkong ha la ka jong kasem HAKA Constituency kaba Isyakri Badru Habaro Kinong Song Snong Jongka Jilla Meghalaya HAKA Jingya Jinti Jongi HAKA Ni Kakam Syakri Pajbar Ipa ila lumlud Yaki Briew Nakeling Sadlap Hapo Kawai Kalong Yeng Kabalong Kajing Angut Jongi Ban im lang HAKA jingsuk. Hapapai shala ka jinglong yeng ngam la shu ban yo ya ka jings bun jong i kabay la le na kapinta jong i baro songon ilalong uta urishot scam pat ka jing shai batbe yanga ilia May but Tushi. Ipa ijen delapin kop yangi dabaro kaspa pertai bat ka Rumpong jong kani kapertai Henry mai bat imei ilajet bat pendap yangi yake jing em jongi daki jing snow daki jing sneng jing kraw kiba koridor tam hakani kapertai ipa ilong Briew ubangi labanya pleo dot chapang kino ki jing kabangi ya shem bani jus ngap yaki jing od but jing jinjar jongi but imju arta tien ban ai ti bat banyarap yengi hakipor jing jongi but yaki dong song song jongka constituency Mawryngkneng wat lai pa imdon show hakani ka perthei kalong yeng jongi kanyai play bat priang smobha ya baro bat mangi kum kal yeng nginyai trei bat yarap yaki Briew baro jongkani ka constituency kumba ipapa ilaya minot haka jingim jongi kublei shibun ublei unkurku upi baro.
Caramba. Y parar Carmel, para Julius. Jingai kublay siya kipay ba? O siya kabalang may slow ay kinirang bahaj ko yun. Hindi sikin din at hindi. Kung pangas mo. Hindi mo panimpawa ka ni Kapor. Punta Porlog juga. Budan hakadorbar Hawaii juga. Assembly buat industri. Dr. Mugus sama budan bingkar bania kali Mawphor. Weki officer, chief minister, the honorable speaker, the ministers. I would like to speak a few words in English to my friends who have come from Assam and other places who will not probably understand Khasi language. I am at this point completely overwhelmed with your support and your love at this day when we bid farewell to my eldest son. Like you've heard before from all the speakers, who they samla rangba, bukit uba, ikalingkor kubakya, the constituency Mawryngkneng. Tad hado, ula kledno, lani ukum shimdan kapor. Sumari Indre kumbangit Ishania ublay Nipidyang because today he is with God in paradise. I have lost not only a son. Na doi ka kiti ka mon ka kiti ka kian juga. Akarta ka juga. Paglakam he. Palakmilin disibon. Bondan hasen da juga. But what man proposes, God disposes. I also want to thank a lot of people, especially Your Grace, Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdro, all the priests, the nuns, our own father parish priest, other glorious assembly, Ramba Balang, elders of the church, ki pastor, ki timen basan, ki balawan, ki balang, the nong tumay, but no Mawryngkneng, the constituency Mawryngkneng, he borok away. Inong Christian, Dong David. But ki bala, pidyang yu, kumusyakri jumpi. Hakini prati isnem. To ay, ulit suk. Nginom sa usisyo. Ngiyabdan kitrak kmat kabagposa mriki harin puan. Ladaki umat gijaw. Ladaka donut kapay. I lad you. Let him go in peace. For he has found eternal peace in the arms of our Lord.
HAKA bertemu pa baru pun dalam sen berpun. Jom ni dua. Ko play second run, ko memila bu benta, bandan kaniam kurukam. Do pay cuma hamni akmat upai ko yang saki. Ban pendap ikane kaniam kurukam kadwai kapiran. Nagbanta une unmen uparabi ye jongi uba David nongrong. Nang balay sok pay sok hakmat jongi. Ablay cekenran nga uod nanam. Yabladay dang sa lanti sa singkiyang lanik hang kaumba kumsan. Do pelay betukun to singkong. Bayne inmen ipara jongi. In pay sok pay sain siya yeng jongi. Daw Chris utray jongi. Amen.
Kajing pule na jing tho bakhoi na khashiti shaki roman balasiam na blanong ka bakhat saw kidkhat hanyo hadu khandai obdan uwei nangi ubalong kanrat yala kajing em but omdan uwei nangi ubalong kanra ialah kecing yap ladangi em ni em how try but ladangi yap ni yap how try kumta ladangi em ne ngi yap ni long kijong try nakani kecing temu ukres ulayap bat ulamipat ba endup long kenrat jong kibat em bat kibayap kaktien jong blay
Amen.